because last time I met you in 2018 with a bathroom sleeper and a Nokia phone, and you gave me this iPhone X. And he told me to give a speech in Secretariat, and in 2018 September 1 I gave a speech in Secretariat.
To all the IAS officers and everyone.
So he gave me, like, being an orphan, despondent, starving life. He is like my parent. So I promised him I'll fulfill all his dream. So when I came here in 2018, I adopted 170 poor students from my village, and I taught them like morning and evening, and I bear all expenses of them. And nextly, I finished my PhD within 3.5 years from the University of Göttingen, and I'll take
From the University of
Göttingen, Germany.
Göttingen.
Yeah. So now I'll take 2 years of industrial experience, and I'll go back to Odisha. And I promised him I'll build a pharmaceutical industry there, and I'll make Odisha an industrial hub. I'll promise him. So once again I'll thank you for bringing me from nothing to everything. And I also built a 30 lakhs of home, sir.
Very good.
And previously I didn't have home, and in my I lost my parents from childhood, and I lost my sister 2 years back. So nobody is there in my family, but sir is there, and so thank you very much for everything, sir.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.